Can you get mommy some?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think mommy needs some too. Alrighty. You did such a good job in the kitchen today.
Thank you.
Well, you're used to helping your mama. You're welcome. Thank you. Hey, what colors do you see on your plates, Maria? What colors are on the plate?
No, what colors do you see?
Red, green, and green.
What are these? What color do you think that is?
White.
Kind of white or yellow white? And then you have a little white eyes. Okay, what do you think they're gonna taste like?
Strawberry.
You think they're gonna taste like strawberry?
Yeah.
Well, maybe. Let's find out. You did a great job. It is so yummy. You're a good cook. All right.
That's a lot.
That it is.
Okay, you ready?
Nice job. Good try.
Do you like it? It's good.
Yummy. Very fresh. All right. Good job, Sonari.